Hi, today is day 107 of my journey to Google, and I continued with my interview questions of Java. So, these are all the questions I did. So, starting from multi threading only, I did some questions. So, I'll just go through some good questions I've gone, and this is just like what wait does, what's the difference between wait and sleep. So, wait basically releases the lock, sleep doesn't. Sleep is time bound and wait is not. And the wait is basically it waits for others to notify so that it can continue. And there's reintent lock, so explicit and implicit locks. So implicits are which we use with synchronized, and you don't have much control over it. You just provide the block with which you have to lock, and it does that. In reentrant lock, it is explicit and you define how you want to lock it, and you have more control, and there can be multiple locks. There can be locks depending on read and write also, so you can have multiple reads but single write. And then some miscellaneous one, so like asking about what will be the output of 5 into 0.1 is equals to 0.5, will it be true? So in this case it was true, but if you do it for 0.2 and 0.1, like if you add them, then it will not be true. Equal to 0.3 will not be true. So then we come to the Spring Boot, some basic questions like response body, response entity. So response body, like it directly handles the HTTP body, but when you have response entity, you have more control over the status and the body. Then you have web layer, so all your server definitions of controllers will be handled by the web layer, and basic working of it, how it happens. So basic question which I have faced is the JWT one. You should like go through the JWT one. Many times I've just underestimated it, and they ask these in detail. So when you're doing for Spring Boot, do it for related to Spring Boot, how Spring Security will handle it. Then you have cacheable. Cacheable is also good, like how you can define cacheable. So basically what you do cacheable is on the get methods. So every time you are trying to fetch something, you just check, okay, can you send the same data which you used last time, and you can send it. You have cache put and cache evict for your put and delete queries, so that your cache knows that okay, data has been updated. And there's also aspect oriented programming, where you like try to separate the business logics. And so why you do this, to separate business logic, your logs, your existing code for security and all. Then you had some n+1 query, where you try to fetch something and you have to fetch all the childs again. So all these things I went through, and for AU my joining date was supposed to be tomorrow, but they have not responded anything. I even asked like, do I need to join tomorrow, and they have not answered anything, so I don't know what to do. I'm still in my hometown. So yeah, that's the update for today. Thank you.